Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this approved used Audi A1 Sportback Black Edition 6-speed, finished in the modern Misano Red Pearlescent paintwork. This 2023 model features a 30 TFSI engine paired with a manual transmission, delivering impressive fuel efficiency. The top features include the striking LED headlights and LED rear lights for great visibility, large 18-inch alloy wheels, rear privacy windows, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek badging around the entire vehicle, including S-Line and A1 badging, in addition to stylish blacked out roof from the Black Edition spec to give that dramatic look, and this is all topped off with rear parking sensors for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside a spacious 335-litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a day out or weekend road trip away. Moving into the rear, you'll find a luxurious part leather trim for that premium look and feel. The front houses a multifunctional flat-bottom leather steering wheel, complemented with a large central touch display and S-embossed front part leather seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data and radio and telephone connection. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the large central touch display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connection, and you can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driving modes to suit you, whether it be for off-roading or simply for preferred driving style. Just below, the climate control offers an evenly distributed temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs, and this is alongside the central console that features a phone compartment, a gear stick, and 3 central cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.